Hello everybody, I'm here again with a new tutorial, and today I'm in a hurry, so I'm going to do something really quick. Firstly, I'm going to prime my eyes. You already know what I'm using. I'm using Inklet eyeshadow keeper. It's the same one that I'm using every single day because I don't have another one. And the base, yes, let's mix. I'm using the same base as always because I have a very oily skin, even though at the moment I'm using a treatment which is very similar to raw Accutane. And yes, I have already prepared my skin. I have only used moisturizing cream and a sun cream. Yes, so let's see, let's do the base. More or less, yes. I'm using this brush, flat brush. It is from a brand called Better. As you can see, I have a lot of pimples here and here. Yes. Today is a sunny day, but it's cold, so that's why I'm wearing a jumper. My skin at the moment it's so dry in some parts of my face. For example, here it's very dry, I should say. But here in this zone, the zone T, it's somehow oily. Okay. Now let's conceal a little bit. I'm using the same concealer, the Clarins one. Yes, it's here. And I'm going to use this brush. This is from Real Techniques. And with my finger, it's better to do it with my finger because my finger is warm. And yes, let's see my brows. I have used a MAC pencil from my brows, this little tiny one. The shade, I don't know the shade, I think it's called, let me check, Omega, yes, Omega. Good one, yes. And I come again with this brow blade from Urban Decay. Can you see it? And I'm using this, which is called the ink stain. I'm doing like small lines. Less. My period is coming, so that's why I have so much puffy eyes, and you know, my face looks like it's more round, and everything is because of my period. Yes, I'm going to set up my makeup with some powder. I'm using this powder, the same one as always, the blood powder from MAC, and I'm always using it in the center of my face here where I get the oil. And yes, the eyes. Let's see what I'm going to do with my eyes. Yes, today I'm using this palette, sorry, which is called Modern Renaissance. It's from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and it's an old one. I mean, old one, not old one. I have used it so many times, and I'm going to use. First thing, I'm going to use a very nice color, the Vermeer, this color, as you can see, this one from here. Okay, I mean, firstly this one, and secondly this one. Okay, let's see. Well, this is nice. It's called Buon Fresco. It's like purple and pink color, but mixed with brown. Yes, it's a purpley color. It's very nice. And I have a good idea. I think I'm going to use I'm going to use this Kiko Lasting eyeshadow stick in the color 46. And let's see. As a base. And I'm going to spreading out with my finger like this. Ah, it's a nice one. Yes, why not? Because it has like pigments, very shiny pigments inside. Let's put it under here on the waterline. Not under the waterline, sorry. Oh. Again, a little bit more here. Yes. Spreading out it, buffing. When you buff this color, it looks like it has more shine in it than before. Yes, and now I'm going to use Vermeer to put it here inside the corner of my eyes. Oh, nice one. I think I have used too much. I'm going to blend it a bit. So nice. Oh my god, I'm using the same brush every single time, but it's okay. Now, I would need a black Knoll crayon, which is this one, to give a little bit of depth of my eyes. Yes, why not? It's a very beautiful color. And of course, I'm going to use, I'm not going to use it. maybe I'm going to emphasize a little bit with this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the color Purple Rain. Well, let's see. I have seen that this color is very trendy at the moment. My god, this is a cheap one. I mean, it was like €1.50. So let's see if I should put here as well. Nice one, yes, why not? Wow, it's a very nice shade. You know, the eyeliner is not my cup of tea, but this you can smudge it and it can become a very nice color. Why not? I hope it is not going to bring my eyes like very not bring my eyes, I mean look that my eyes are very tired. Yes, that's the word, tired. Yes, now that I have finished with the palette, sorry, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Yes, quickly. I'm going to use my mascara. This is a messy one. I'm going to use Monsieur Big from Lancome, the same one as always, because it's the only one that I have. I should buy the one from Too Faced. This is even though this is a very good one, it makes your eyes like look very big. The movement that you have to do with the mascara are like this, a zigzag movement. Wow, this is good, a good one, a good mascara. Oh yes, now I'm going to shape a bit my face, and I think that I'm going to use this brush, this one from Real Techniques. It's called the B02, and yes, I'm going to use the same Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlighting from Charlotte Tilbury. Is my favorite one, and it's, I should say, it's the only one that I have like this, you know, together. And I'm going to sculpt firstly my forehead. I have, as you can see, I have a very big forehead. Nice. Now a bit of highlighter from the same palette. Okay. And of course, don't forget about your blush. Today I'm going to use Cheek to Cheek, this Charlotte Tilbury. It looks like this. It's a very nice one, a very nice shade. I have a big collection of blushes, but I always use this one. I don't know why, because it's the one that I have in my bag. Yes, that's why. I totally forgot. And the lips. Yes, I'm going to underline my lips with NYX Professional Lip Liner. This color is called Brunch Me. I never overline my lips. I don't like it. I don't know why. I tried once and I didn't like it. And the color that I'm going to use today is called Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and it's Birthday Suite from Sleek. It's a very good brand. Let's see. I'm always bluffing if I don't like the color. Well, I don't dislike it, but I don't know if it suits me. What do you think? And yes, of course, as it's a matte one, I'm going to use a bit of lip balm. I love lip balms. And this is the final result. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? This is the final result, so I think it's very nice. I have enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe, give me a like, and see you next time. Bye bye.